This 10 days was just like an onion for me. Every time I peeled one layer and I found myself a step further. I went deeper. And that helped me to learn a lot of things actually. Each day brought something new. Someday it taught me about voice modulation, how to channelize your emotion, how to use that sense of humor, by the way, what I don't have actually, how to catch audience attention. There are a lot of things actually which have been served like a complete dish. By the way, when I started this challenge, I had a belief in my mind I won't be able to complete it because of time issue, network issue, and everything. The best lesson what this challenge has given me is it doesn't require a lot. If you really want to do something from very inside of your heart, it's the intention should be very much clear. And thank you so much, Nidhi, for being there, for correcting each and every video and giving those feedbacks. Those are really required. And the best thing is practice. That is what I believe we all need it. That is the key for speaking or anything, you name it. And also the correct way to practice. That is more important. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nidhi.